Okay mate, this is the first running of the real car. Now I know it's a big ask, but let's get some useful data and get you used to how the practice sessions work. Let's start the season as we mean to go on, eh? I know we can have a great year, so let's go.
Yo, is Mark your person also?
Okay, me again mate. We've made some changes to the way that ERS works this year, so you're going to have multiple modes to choose from in the race now. Have a play around with them in your MFD during the practice sessions and think about how you might use them on race day. I'll check back with you soon to chat more about it.
Don't hit me. Are you on track? Well, I think you're right in front of me. I almost hit the wall right there.
You've got front wing damage, recommend you box for a new one. Box now. You've got damage to the rear wing, recommend you box for repairs.
You have to go around the whole thing. Front wing, rear wing. You want to just retire? Yo, I still had the fastest lap though. Nah, I had the fast lap. Yeah. Do we have to? Oh, it's one shot. Oh. So we have to do it at the same time. Alright, no spin, right? Well, you're on the Red Bull too, so I guess that's it. Alright, P7, P8, and RB. The B car. No, P6. P6. I'm in the junior team. Yeah, man. Yo, you were way ahead of everyone. Wait, did the... Why are Mercedes so low? It's gonna rain? Bruh. It's raining the whole race. Bruh. Yeah, I'm gonna be even worse though. Rain brings me down so much, cause without any assist.
The winter is over. It's time for Formula One 2025. Yes, that long break that you've all been coping with so well can now... And alongside me...
Okay, at least it's interesting race. Yeah.
Okay, clutch up, go, go, go!
Yo, P3. Oh, Verstappen and Norris are pulling away from me so much. You want to go through? Nah, bro. Yes. Shit, I'm on the grass. Yo, how's Albon and Stroll right behind me? How far is Verstappen? Yeah, bro, we're cooked. Yeah, I'm back, guys. No! I got a huge snap right there. No, I don't think anyone else is gonna pause. Unless you wanna do like
Green flag!
I was sneaking up to the side there. Yo, what was that? Oh, you got Alan on the... Yo, you're hitting to the wall. How's Alan? Yeah. Onto the podium.
Brilliant, nice move, keep going.
Yo, Verstappen's 10 seconds ahead of me. That's crazy. Yo, Lando and Verstappen should just hit each other right now. Give me the race win. Yeah. My Stroll is falling back. Could you hit him or something? Albon is like sticking to me like glue. You want me to back the pack up, please? No, the thing is I'm scared Albon's gonna get past me now. Stroll is backing him up pretty well though. This guy Albon is just, like not letting go of it.
Okay, gap to the car in front, 15.3 seconds.
Alright, I did it. I think I did. Did I?
Okay, clear.
Did I brake check it? Oh. Yo, did you see the yellow button? You're behind me, bro. Alright, you're like, oh, someone, like Claire's out. I was wondering what that.
Okay, we've got to focus on the VSC Delta. Forget the old objective. Virtual safety car deployed. Slow down and maintain a positive Delta. Virtual safety car is deployed.
That wasn't me. Did he hit the wall? Yeah, did he hit the wall or something? Or mechanical?
Right, drop your speed. Our Delta's too low and we're going to risk a penalty. Slow your pace immediately.
Hamilton P5, Colin Lewis. I'm only 20 seconds back when we're stopped. That's good. At least I'm keeping up with it. Yo, what happened?
Okay, caution, caution. Virtual safety car is out. Reduce speed and maintain a positive Delta on your dash.
Cause a safety car. Yo, what are you doing, bro?
Right, drop your speed. Our Delta's too low and we're going to risk a penalty. Slow your pace immediately. Okay, let's get ready to go racing again. The safety car is in this lap.
Yo,
when
what
the field accelerates, remember there's no overtaking until the timing
line. Why is the
safety car in this lap?
Also, how am I pulling away so much? Wait, did it make it a virtual safety car? Then why are people behind me slow? I gain like 10 seconds on it. I'm only 7 seconds behind.
We're starting to catch the car in front, but we need to look after the tyres. We won't be making another pit stop.
Are they still in the safety car? Or is the AI still in the safety car? Wait. Well, I'm not catching up anymore, so it's not. The safety car ended for me.
Okay, final lap. Let's go. Final lap.
That's funny. Podium.
Checker flag, the fans rise to their feet. It's Lando Norris for victory.
Podium celebration. Where am I?
There's room for 3 on their podium, but only ever one
there
right
I am
at the
on the
top.
podium.
Let the celebrations begin. He holds the trophy aloft, and why shouldn't he? A richly deserved win today for Lando
Podium
Norris.
on debut. Podium on debut.